Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you regarding the recruitment of expatriate teachers. Due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, Ministry of Education Maldives currently they are not recruiting candidate directly. Hope you all know that. If they announce upcoming direct vacancies, we'll let you know soon in the future. So this is announcement regarding the recruitment of expatriate teacher 2019. If you click this link, you can get what they announce. So here the below mentioned agency entered into the agreement. They are signed every year agreement with Ministry of Education Maldives and one agency. So this is last year agency agreed agreement signed with Global Placement. This hope you all know that Global Placement. This is 30th December 2019. So it's already expired. But now this current year 2021 and 22 they have signed agreement with some agencies. Hope you all know that. This is a press release for Ministry of Education Maldives. This is they tweet 31st December 2020 press release that is here mentioned. Below mentioned agency entered into agreement with Ministry of Education Maldives recruit personnel for the professional category identified the Maldives immigration effective from 28th December 2020. That means they are signed a contract with two agencies. The first one is Global Placement, another one is Masters Academy. Hope you all know that Global Placement in Hyderabad, address available. If you are interested to apply Maldives job, you can contact this Global Placement and Masters Academy. Here they are given address and website address and contact number also. Once you get a job, the following terms and conditions shall be included in the contract. Hope you know that place of employment is Republic of Maldives. Period of employment 1 year, can be extended based on your performance. Probation and period is 3 months. Working hours 6 hours duty only. Accommodation and food will be allowance will be given. The transportation also will be provided. Leave benefit as per contract. Return air ticket also they will provide. This is the salary and allowance detail. So basic salary, so around Indian rupees 75,000 to 80,000 you will get. Depends upon your educational qualification. You can get. These are the salary and allowances details. So what you need, what they expect mean bachelor degree in teaching and bachelor degree in the specialized subject. So these are the salary details for Ministry of Education Maldives. So the school year for public and private schools starts in January and wraps up in November. Ministry of Education Maldives usually begin recruitment in several months. To apply for a teaching job in the Maldives, teachers should visit these agencies Global Placement and Masters Academy in Kerala. The Masters Academy Kerala address and website address, email and phone number also provided. You can contact. You can attend the interview and easily you can get a job in Maldives. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.